cello, bass, and viola, I want you to look at the rhythm on the board behind me. I am going to make it more complicated very soon, so let's just enjoy playing this comfortable rhythm on the D string. 3 and 4 and. One more time, then I'll make it more complicated. 3 and 4 and. 4. Now I'm going to add a tie between these two eighth notes. Everything else will stay the same. Okay, so remember these two eighth notes now become a longer single note together. 3 and 4 and. Tie. One more time. That gets kind of tricky. 3 and 4 and. One more time. 3 and 4 and. And 3. Now I'm going to make one more change. I'm going to put rests in the middle here. So this flag will fall down, that flag will fall down, and we'll have two of those fancy eighth rests in the middle. Now, what I recommend you do is think rest, rest right there. Ba, rest, rest, tie, bum, bum. So every eighth note should be what your body feels. Let's try it together. 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest, tie. One more time. 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest, tie. Basses, let's try that rhythm again before we play it together in the music. So any single eighth note, think of that as very short or staccato. And then when it is a tie or a quarter note, think of that as long. So just make sure your brain understands when it's a short note and when it's a long note. 3 and 4 and. Short, rest, rest, long, short, long. One more time. 2, 3 and 4 and. Short, rest, rest, long, short, long. Now find it at measure 7 in the music and let me demonstrate. 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest, long, short, long. Rest, rest, long, short, long. Rest, rest, long, short, long. Now let's try it together. 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest, long, long, short, rest, rest, long, short, long, short, rest, rest, long. One more time. 2, 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest, long, short, rest, rest. Short, rest, rest. Long. Okay, viola, cello, bass, we're going to build another rhythm, but let's start with its most simple form first. Let's play this on the D string. 3 and 4 and. One more time, and I want your brain to just get familiar with where all the eighth notes are. So when I make it more complicated in a moment, your brain can still think eighth notes. 3 and 4 and. Okay, what I'm going to do now is add a tie on the 2 eighth notes in the middle. So we're going to have a longer note right in the middle. Let's try this now, but your brain can still think the 4 eighth notes. 3 and 4 and. So it's short, long, short, long, short, short. Okay, if that helps, you can start by thinking of it that way. Here we go again. 3 and 4 and. Short, long, short, long, short, short. One more time. 3 and 4 and. Short, long, short, long, short, short. this is how that rhythm will look in real life. It is a single eighth note, a quarter note in the middle, and a single eighth note. This set of 3 notes, we've done this before. It is called a syncopation. It's a short note followed by a note that is twice as long, followed by that same short note again. So let's try this on the D string as written here on the board. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and one more time. Read the bottom line, please, just to get used to how it will look in our music. 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now find measure 10 and let's play the syncopation in the music. Let me demonstrate first. 3 and 4 and. So it's short, long, and then I have to shift and jump back. Oh, sorry, that was a little out of tune. Let's try it together now. 3 and 4 and. Short, long. One more time. 3 and 4 and. Now I want you to find measure 13. Here's another syncopation, but the first eighth note happens to be a rest instead. So let me demonstrate this one. So it's rest, long, short, long. So that's kind of weird sounding. I'll demonstrate it again. 3 and 4 and rest, long, short, long. That F natural does sound unusual, but trust your eyes that it is an F natural. Here we are together at 13. 3 and 4 and rest. Long, long. One more time. 3 and 4 and rest. Let's play from 7 to the end of 10 and get this first syncopation added at the end of this crazy rhythm at 7. 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest, long. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Short, long. Let's do that one more time. 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Short, long. Now let's play from 11 to 15. So this has the syncopation with the rest and then a 3 count note in measure 14. So here we are again at 11. 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest. Slur. Rest, rest. Slur. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time at 11. 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's just play a little at 15 because this rhythm is a little bit more comfortable. But watch out for a tie again at the beginning of 16. So here we are at 15. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it one more time. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's put this all together and play from 7 to the end of 18. Really work hard to look at the whole entire measure so you can see the patterns of the rhythms. Set yourself up. 3 and 4 and. Rest, rest, long. Rest, rest. Rest, rest. Short.